kitum na tum bergazi ambor nyem te heaven. Kaman how? Wula kenya venya adanka yetum la 247. Kaman
Abdul Basit Kulture is my name. Kaman how programs on bongo programs or yung pa ka bono kumira tang na ko buhana bon lu na pa kaman fast o zan chambie kale ka bono la kumira tang na ko buhana bon la halu ne dana pa anzo abi dawga la nyala ka ta mal trana a social issues den chan ven yala ngamen dem be chan ven yala nga kyongo kate discussa trana ka buarne sam tre yeto ashanga. This time, Tiang by to actually this episode, discussion kunyam 10 years about TikTok app, be TikTok, then your social media platform. Cause this time, kare man then nanye first, then trendra, nero in a bishes open, kato share ideas the zo, be ka entertainer tab the zo. So coming to entertainment and maybe other promotions member is like indika problem with it, but that year to actually I think in northern region be tamal folona be shy kana te abuser maybe be Africa as a whole kate telgale kare the be change. Before cut to go further, I new to this channel, just click subscribe button, cut my bell pie, and you can anytime cut to drop a content, I one of the first people buying yellow. So TM continue with the issue man yama Kaman. Come not to you ben shaka my TikTok near entertainment and promotion aspects. My problems but maybe later then discuss it. Our main topic here is TikTok live. TikTok live, then chant TikTok live sham. Especially youth in time when you use TikTok live sham. I observe labin shakama yung I need so come ko be TikTok live. My friends can join especially when they are speaking in Dagbani or slight English language. The abuser me in a way. All our TikTok live that year me yet the contents. TikTok, we don't have any content to present. Talk about the entertainment aspect. Ben shami kana the 2 minute IQ num kara reader tia. Wula kati en nankabun mo nang fan tete. Majority of Bantobe TikTok live and most of the Zula midnight. Majority of guys, be young guys, bambe tamale, then a sort of so pump like pusa TikTok pump. Come the sort of kanya maybe yarmas tena bar diala ka be TikTok so have fun. Yes, and it won't be like that forever. With TikTok here and better life pune and yalo ka youth in northern region ka future ka TikTok ka future tete. Yes, ula kati nankar my future. I get TikTok live midnight come like 90% of Bangbo Benshanya is about profane languages katiyara. It's about sex. It's about like halbaka and ya didn't enjoy the katinya kashavi yara. TikTok live come so you could live. You can hear friends enjoy them. Kamaka pabi and bianca dabi and bian. But starter me and yara about relationship and yara about sex. Which got the like the cut you see. I like your konunga, I have sex with I don't baby oil have sex like la ben shamadan ka yusman. And this is an example can the yarma so come now you ya the vialmeta. Young ma the yela forever. Now when you TikTok midnights got so go live can Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, but discussing ya also this time like malango ben where ya wula katien in a month or 3 times ka like ka bihaguma be kama so be into discuss investment into discuss welfare the mizana to discuss welfare tuma like social issues then bobte trika problem now nam te shambala jituli yetwa we are entertainment and mover tapa but the cool zaman la this is just a pilot episode can hear about TikTok nkuwa minye idea ma every time hala ida nye share ka so ten no maybe entertainment kama oyen go life ko nye so performance or ka discuss about something else maybe to nya be ye no wor siam kama Mr. A bio ya ka B bio ya ko juna life can there be enjoy ne the 90% of la midnight life man they are talking about sex. Few now you take a gadam and makasi or kapto drag or sometimes you see people talking about music. But no any other issue. We don't talk about religion, we don't talk of anything. I could ever midnight girl do not sex. Boyfriends and girlfriends like they are talking bench Adam can use and we take something like gift us do this yeah it's more of entertainment, but let's see how we can like manipulate TikTok can go a positive impact on the society and youth now as a whole. To a pilot episode. I think more of such episode we will be analyzing problems on TikTok. Then the Trinity knowledge. Suggestions if you like you take, if you don't like you go your way. Freedom of our life and knowledge. It's just a suggestion as a brother, as a sister. Katinyeka to share it with you. Abdel Basse Kuchirenyangule. Yusuf Abuturson, producer for Kaman How. Siba Hadi, Munaza Kamaranya Karapala Nama.
Kitumne tumberkazi ambor nyente heavy. Kaman How? Wala kenyevenya adanka yetum la 247.